sometimes, change to happiness, Personally, really, I admire these people a lot. Because the way I look at Muslim nowadays, I'm sorry about this dark look, that many of them make their Prophet ﷺ happy. Many of them, they put a burden on him ﷺ. Many of them make him sad. Many of them, they bury his tradition. Many of them, they lie to him, Even his wife, they lied for his wife, His wife called Aisha, she got married to him, when she was 6 and then 9 years, No, I am a liar. I'm going to lie on him, and I'm going to see this. You see, here, I cannot describe, the gap or the main difference, between us and them, And the only way I may satisfy myself, just I'm pleased with these people, okay? I'm going to say, Ya Allah, I'm going to have you bear witness that I'm pleased with what they have done, I'm not similar to them. I'm not going to do same action that they did, But really, I admire. I love those stages. I love those events, which took place, And for Sayyidah Khadija in particular, as Hafiz ibn Hajar mentioned, in Fath al-Bari, that even the Prophet, before the revelation, he got surprised. How come this woman, has this very nice and kind care of him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam? And he told her sometimes, as she said, she answered, she said, because I expect you are the Prophet. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam answered her in very scientific way, okay? He did not say, yes, I'm the Prophet. He didn't know that he's the Prophet. But he did not, he put it in a scientific way. He said, if I'm the Prophet, you are going to see what's going to happen to you. Okay? If I'm not the Prophet, the Lord of that Prophet will not forget you. Okay? And here, for sure, you cannot help it, without appreciating that woman. You cannot help it without thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is, whether we understand or not, it was the heaviest task, put on the shoulder of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by different maneuver, by different way, by different person, by different setting, made it easy on him. And this is, I look at it, as part of the interpretation of that verse when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فَإِنَّكَ بِأَعْيُنِنَا, you are in our eyes, okay, and under the supervision of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you have such a woman, like Sayyidah Khadija, you feel the warm greeting, from her, to the Prophet ﷺ, and you feel that this is part of the meaning of that particular verse in Surah Al-Tur. When you have such person like Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq, quite supportive of him ﷺ. When we see Sayyidina As'ad ibn Zurara, who after the, how can I say it, after those massive rejection of him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All the tribes, came to Mecca, even those people who came from Medina, he was rejected by them, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, first time, second time, and then he was accepted by As'ad ibn Zurara. I cannot, hear my tongue stop, speaking, not because of English, even in Arabic I cannot speak, I cannot express myself, here, I have complete pause, I have complete stop here, because really I cannot give my expression, about those moments, which in my standard, perhaps I look at the Prophet as a great person, or perhaps he is not in real need, of these matters, But for me, they are great moments, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent that person or that woman or this or that, to help the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in taking over, or in taking care, of his task, which was one of the heaviest tasks, ever, Just imagine, you were asked, by someone, not by Allah, you were asked by someone, go and tell 100%, that tomorrow we have a meeting. How do you feel about it? The Prophet ﷺ wants to tell all humankind about their meeting with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? So I think we stop here, if there's any question, try to answer it, Otherwise, we run away.
Any questions?
No question, yalla ya Shaykh. And we started with the first hadith, inshallah, study very well. I would like, for those who run this course, to have it translated in English, before going to make the others, have the same feeling that I have, in that regard. So we'll stop here. If anyone has question, feel free to write it down, try to answer it, inshallah, tomorrow. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.